Hi, my name is Gail Lee. This is my video for Enhancement 6 for my CIT 336 class. So let's go in and see what happens here. Go to my account and we create a new person. We're going to create Bert. Wiener, and his email is wiener@gmail.com. Let's put a password in. Required by all those codes there, so I register, and Bert is registered. So now we'll go in here and we'll put in the password, and the password I put in, and I click, and it says try your password again. Don't know what's happening there, but let's go to our admin page. It was working before. Something has happened. So let's go to the admin. The admin comes in, so we click Manage Projects, and then we have a problem here. So anyways, that's my results of each page. If I go back, let's go back to localhost again so we can do the validations and show you that the validations are now working. So if there, see, Bert is welcome there through the cookie. The cookie is working, we see. So if I go back in this page and we'll log in as the admin, and we'll put in the admin SP. Let's see, I don't want to tell you what it is because it's secret. Sometimes I can't even remember it. Here we go. Here. Oopsie, I told you so. Let's try that again. Here we go. There's our admin. So let's look at the validate this page and show you it is now working. So I go down. Looky there are no errors, so we fixed that problem we had earlier. So this is the end of my video. That's all I can show you at this time. So we'll try to figure out all the problems and help those bugs next time. Bye.